Today we are here to look at Vivid School, which is a brand new initiative of Destination New South Wales, and it's for sending the lift down 10 years into Vivid Sydney to bring up the next generation.
Vivid School has offered our students the opportunity to meet and talk with and question the artists that have created these installations.
I think the ability to foster in the next generation is like one of the most important things we could be doing.
I think when students come to Vivid School, it will give them a whole new perspective on the creative industries and the pathways that are involved in getting there.
Seeing all the roles and seeing what I might be most interested in within the industry, so whether it's lighting or actually producing the show.
It's just incredibly reassuring to hear that all those people on that panel, they were all us once.
We've got big plans for the coming years, so more opportunities for more students, especially more women.